I've got a note here that's been sitting in my vault for months. It's got something in it, but it's not finished. Today I'm going to show you 4 commands I use to actually do something with notes like this. In today's video, I'm going to take an unfinished ideas note and run it through 4 Claude Agent commands: fix, enhance, review, and format. By the end of the video, it will match my ideas template and become a more polished note. In front of me here, I have 2 idea notes. On the left-hand side, I have a nice formatted note, which matches my idea template. On the right-hand side, I have an idea note that needs a little bit of a tidy up. So let's have a look at the note on the left. I've got some YAML properties at the top with tags, status, category, topics, summary, source, featured images, and date created. Got a nice hidden callout for the time it was created. A heading 2 for the name of the note. Inside the quote, I have some highlighted key points. In the first paragraph, we have, if you want success, figure out the price, then pay it. The second quote, once you decide, you take action. Wishing starts in the mind and generally stays there. Then we have successful people don't wish for success, they decide to pursue it. The price is negotiable. Appreciate the power of systems over goals. So we move down to the reflection, pay the price. If you're stuck in wishing mode, the mode our minds naturally gravitate towards until we train them. This mode keeps us in safety and makes sure we don't fail. It also makes sure we don't succeed. So we need to follow a 3-step process, figure out what you want, figure out the price, then we pay it. And we've got some external sources here of the book by Scott Adams and a YouTube video. So the note on the right, we want to tidy up, but before we do that, let's jump into the templates directory. So I'll navigate to my workspaces, go down to my template directory, and I'm going to select my ideas template. So you can see my ideas template has YAML up the top here. We've got meta details for the date. We've got a title, a quote, reflection, and external sources. So all idea notes in my vault, I want to match this template. So if we jump back to the active note here, you can see the note on the right doesn't match the note on the left. I could do it manually, but it's been sitting in my vault for months. And I want to show you 4 commands I use to actually do something with a note like this. So before we do that, let's jump over to the commands. And these live inside of my Claude commands folder. And we're looking at the fix idea here first. So the fix idea reads my ideas template, reads the current note, and applies my template structure. It preserves all the existing content, checks for empty YAML properties, reports changes made, and if it has an image or a thumbnail, then it needs to keep that. And we also want to make sure we've got the right seedling, fern, or tree. Once we fix the idea note, we'll then enhance it. So I've got 3 examples here. We've got a key summary example or key takeaway. So they're the 3 options we can use to enhance the note. So we determine the callout type, generate the callout content, find the insertion point inside the note, and then we insert it using the edit, and then we write it to the toolkit automation log so we've got a record of it. So once we've done that with the enhance, we'll move over to the review note. So the review note is simply going to read and orient. So it's going to find out what type of note it is, check the front matter, make sure the tag accuracy is correct for how many words, assess the content quality, check connections, and output the review. And then finally, we'll move on to formatting the note. So this is just going to simply enhance the body content. And we've got our read the current note, apply callout formatting, emphasize formatting, formatting rules, be conservative, check headings for improvements, report changes, and then write to the automation log. All right, so let's see it in action. So we'll jump over to my active workspace, reveal the right pane. That's going to load my Chord Agent, run the first command, which is going to be fix idea. We select our systems note and we send that message to our Chord Agent. So Chord Agent is going to read the fix idea skill. It knows that it needs to reference the my ideas template. Then it's going to read the systems note here. And once it understands my vault structure, it can now apply the fixes to my note. So we can see it's currently writing that for me. And this all happens in under 30 seconds. So now I get a preview of what the changes are going to look like. So I could scroll up, review it before I approve. Just going to allow, and we can see instantly the system note changes to match the formatting of the don't wish. We get a little summary of what changes were made. So up the top here, we now have all our YAML properties. We have our date information, our heading 2, take out the space here. We have our nice quote here. And further down, we have our reflection on system versus goals, and then our external source. So I'm pretty happy with that first command. So we can follow it up with our enhance note command. So we could extract the key summary example or key takeaway. I'm going to go for the key summary. So I'll type that in. So I'm going to run enhance note key summary. If I just ran enhance note, it would ask me which one I would like to choose. So once again, it'll read the command, then it'll go read the system's note. Then it's going to edit my note, and we can see a preview of the key summary here. So focus on systems, not goals. So we'll hit allow on that one. All right, so it's added the key summary. So let's scroll down and we can see it here. So I'm just going to take out this little minus so it shows it. We can see that the key summary is focus on systems, not goals. Goals are future endpoints you may never reach. Systems are daily practices that give you a win every time you apply them. So if we like that, we can just leave it. Or we could say something like, can you mention winners and losers have goals in summary? Because that's the thing, right? Winners and losers both have goals. I just want to mention that in there. There we go. Losers have goals, winners have systems. Okay, I like that. All right, so now we've got a key summary. So we've run our fix idea, our enhanced note. Let's review the note now. So we'll hit / type review note, select our system note, send that to our Claude agent. This time it's going to run through the review note command. So once it understands the skill, it'll read the systems file again. Okay, so Claude Agent has finished reviewing the note. So it knows what the note type is. It's an idea note. We'll wait for the response to finish, and then we'll scroll up and we can see that it's given it a tree because it's over 200 words. So it's a well-structured idea note with solid quote callout and strong key summary. Main issue is stale in progress status on a mature tree note. So the critical suggestion is to change the in progress to complete. So that's the YAML property up the top here. Then we've got should fix the missing wiki link, referencing Atomic Habits by James Clear. And then we've got vision mentioned but not linked. So we could link to Vision Health, which is another note in our vault. And worth considering is add related front matter. Would you like to apply these fixes? Let's just go yes, please. All right, so we can see the first one here is to change the status, so we'll approve that one. Then it needs to add external source, so we'll allow that as well. Okay, so we've got our 2 changes there, so we can have a look at the top. We've got complete, and we also have our Atomic Habits, James Clear, added down the bottom here in our external sources. Okay, so the last command I'll run is / format note. So this one is going to enhance the note body formatting with callouts and highlights. So we'll run that one to finish up, and I'll just scroll up to the top. So it wants to read my skill. I'll say allow. Now it's going to go read the systems note again. So with this command, I'm letting it make the changes without approving. So we can see a preview here. If you want to know what it's doing, you can see here in my quote now, I've got systems people succeed every time they apply their systems. And then it's going to go update the automation log. And then we get a summary of the changes made. So system people succeed every time they apply their systems. That's this one here. Highlighted goals are for losers in the quote, which is down here. Italics key sentence in reflection bullet, which is down here, but you get to win every time you implement your system. Both of those mindsets don't lead themselves to lasting success, so that's this one here. And then Claude Agent converted where is your focus to a tip, which is this one here, just to make it stand out a little bit more. So if we like that, we can just leave it. If we want to make changes with our Claude Agent, we can, or we can just go in and make the changes ourselves within the note. But I think that looks much better now. It matches my idea note formatting on the left, and things can be more organized in my system. Fix Idea Enhance Note, Review Note, and Format Note are all part of the Agents and Skills plus Ultimate Vaults. Links are in the description. Vault Explorer members already have access. If you're already using commands and skills in your Obsidian Vault to develop notes, let me know your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.